Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Social media privacy concerns have always been around. When people post personal details, photos, or content in general, there's always a chance it'll end up in the wrong hands. If hackers gain access to your account, all of your past saved posts will be at their fingertips in seconds. Now, with My Eyes Only, Snapchat is giving you an extra layer of protection for third party to have to bypass to access selected content. My Eyes Only is designed to help keep users' most private snaps and stories even more secure. This features allows users to move content from memories to the dedicated My Eyes Only folder, which can only be accessed with a user-created passcode. To access My Eyes Only, users need only swipe up from the camera screen to open Memories, then tap over to My Eyes Only and enter the designated passcode. By doing so, users can ensure that their sensitive content remains completely private and hidden from unintended audiences. Launch Snapchat and swipe up from the bottom of the camera screen or tap Memories. Tap the My Eyes Only tab from the option along the top of the Memories section. Then, tap the blue Setup button. Choose a passcode and enter it twice. Once to set it and the second time to confirm it. You can now access the My Eyes Only tab with the designated passcode. It's essential to note that once content is moved to My Eyes Only, it can only be accessed with the passcode. The team at Snapchat cannot assist users in recovering or accessing lost passcodes. As such, users must keep their passcode secure and memorable, ensuring that their private content remains protected. To add content to the My Eyes Only tab, select your content from the Home, Camera Roll, or Stories tabs in Memories. Once it's opened to full screen, tap the 3 button in the top right corner. Then, select My Eyes Only from the subsequent options. In the Move to My Eyes Only confirmation prompt, select Move. You can also choose to delete the original snap after moving it to My Eyes Only. And that's it. Changing your My Eyes Only passcode on Snapchat is straightforward, but keep in mind that you need to remember your current one or your Snapchat account password. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.